Happy morning, children. Wishing you most and more. Hope everyone are good and safe at home. So we'll start with sets again. So we are seeing the first chapter, sets. And what have we seen in the last class? It is about operations on sets. Am I right? And we have started with the first operation on sets. Right? So that is going to be the today's topic also. We are just going to continue with operations on set. Before that, let's see the learning objective of today's session. You will be able to recall the union of sets, which was our last topic, and today you are going to find the intersection of two sets. So union and intersection is going to be the combination of today's topic. So let's recall the major operations on set, what we have seen in the last class. The first operation is union, and the second operation is intersection, and the third major operation is difference of two sets. Right, so this is what we have seen in the previous class, and we have started with union. So what is union of sets? It is collection of all elements being taken only once. Right, we'll just combine the elements of two sets and we'll write it as one set being taken only once if we have any repetition. So if there are overlapping, we will take the common elements only once and we'll write the all elements together in the set braces. So that is called as union, and we will use the symbol for union, right? So we will denote like this as a Venn diagram. If it is a representation, just will shade both the set notations to both the circles. We will shade it. That is a visual representation of Venn diagram of unit. So this is what we have seen. Let's move on to intersection of sets today. So I'll just take the same example what we have seen in the previous class. Animals live in water and land. What do I mean by intersection? Intersection is nothing but the elements which are common to both the sets. Okay, if I take two sets, which are the elements common to both the sets? That elements will come under intersection. That is the intersection. So common element, collection of the common element, or the element which is common to both A and B is known as intersection, and we will always denote that with this symbol, and we will read that symbol as A intersection B. Now if you take this example, which is common for land, animals live in lands and animals live in water, tortoise and crocodile. That is the intersection of these two sets. Got it? So intersection means the elements which are common to both the sets. Got it? Very simple as how union we have seen. So we'll just see how the visual representation or the Venn diagram representation of intersection. If it is intersection, we'll just shade the common part alone. That is the visual representation of intersection. The common region alone will be shaded. Okay, now if you see the shading portion, A intersection B, if there is no common element, I don't need to shade anything. I cannot shade at all because there is no common element. If I have common element, so I will just shade this common part alone with the lines, straight lines. If I have three sets, when it comes to A intersection B intersection C, the elements which are common in all the three sets. So this is the region which is common to all the three. So I will shade only this region. So when it comes to 2, I will shade like this. When it comes to 3, I will shade like this for the intersection. Got it? So this is the Venn diagram representation of intersection. Now what can you tell about this first representation? A, B separately are drawn and there is no overlapping at all. So what it means? It means A and B are not having any common elements. They are disjoint sets. Remember, this is another type of set. When there are no common element between any two sets, they are called disjoint sets. Okay, so keep this in your mind, how to represent intersection as a Venn diagram. Now let's move on to a few examples on how to find out intersection. Okay, let me give you two sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be A intersection B? What is the common element of A and B? It is Find A intersection B is your question. So common element, if you see, it is 3 and 4. So as a Venn diagram, you will just write 3 and 4 in this region, and the remaining elements of A here you will write, and the remaining elements of B you will write it here. So this is the way of finding intersection. When it comes to a theory, just select the common element and write it inside A intersection B set. When it comes to Venn diagram representation, you will just write the common element in this common region. That's it. So this is what is intersection. Simple, right? Very simple. Another question, find P intersection Q. I'm going to give you a visual representation to you. What are the elements common to P and Q? Just this is P, elements of P is written, elements of Q is written. You need to identify the common element. What are they? It is simple. It is 0 to 10, which is the elements which are written in the common region is the intersection of P and Q. So P intersection Q is 0, 2 and 10. Simple? Yes. Okay, this is your next task. This is one of your question in exercise 1.4. 4 sets are given to you. Set A, set B, set C, set D. 4 sets are given to you. You need to identify these elements. Okay. So let's do few sums which can be found directly. A intersection B, B intersection C. So I'm going to do these sums to you now in the first slide, and then the remaining sums we'll see in the next slide. Okay. So A intersection B means what? Elements which are common in A and B. Can you see? Common element 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 is there in both. So first question, if you see, A intersection B is 7, 9, 11. B intersection C, elements which are common to B and C. It is 11 and 13. Yes, so 11 and 13. Third question, A intersection C intersection D. When it comes to A intersection C intersection D, look at A set, C set and D set. Do you have common elements in all the three? If there are 3 sets in intersection, you need to see which are common in all the 3. It should be in all the 3. But if you see A and C, yes, you have few common elements. If you see C and D, again you have some common elements. But if you take all these 3 sets into account and see the common element, there is no common element at all. So A intersection C intersection D is a null set. Got it, children? So it is a null set. A intersection C. The next question, A intersection C. Fourth question, what is common in A and C? It is 11 alone. Yes, we have only 11 in A and C. So 11 is the answer for the fourth sum. If you see the fifth sum, B and D. B you have, D you have. Anything common? For B and D, you don't have any element as common. So here 7, 9, 11, 13, it is 15, 17. There is no element common. So answer to fifth question is null set. Okay. Seventh question, A intersection D. Do you have any common element for A and D? This is A, this is D. Do you have any common element? No. Again, there is no common element. So A intersection D is equal to null set. Got it, children? Yes. So remaining questions. See here, if you see these remaining questions have 2 operations. You have to write 2 steps. First, you need to identify what is B union C, and then with that element, you need to find out the common element of A set and that set. Okay, we'll see that in the next slide. Now take the same question. I have taken only this. So when it comes to first question, first I need to identify what is B union C. So B and C you need to unite and write the elements. B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay. With this set, you need to identify intersection of A and B union C. So A intersection B union C will be, write the A set, intersection B union C set, you write. Now you see what are common. In these 2 sets, what are the elements are common? 7, 9 and 11. See here also you have 7, 9, 11. So A intersection B union C is 7, 9, 11. Got it, children? Yes. So when you have 2-3 steps involved in the operation, you have to do 2-3 steps extra only. So first you need to identify, as usual, like board mass. First you need to find out what is this, and with that answer you need to find out the intersection. We'll see the second question now. So tell me what we have to find first. We need to identify B union D first. So when it comes to second question, B union D, that is B and D you have to unite 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and with that intersection with A. So A intersection B union D, A set, and this is B union D set. What is common again? It is 7, 9 and 11. Again 7, 9, 11 is common. So answer is 7, 9, 11. Got it, children? So this is how we will find out. Third and fourth question is going to be your task. You will tell me the answer to this. So how we will find out third and fourth one? First you find out A intersection B. We have already found this. B union C also we have already found. Here we have. So with that two sets, find the common element. B union C set I have. A intersection B also we have already. What is common in both these sets you need to identify. Similarly, the fourth question, A union D you need to find out, have it. B union C again have it. For both the set, what is common you need to identify. So I'll be waiting for your answer. The mainstream children, just post your answer to this question. Along with that, we'll see this question also. A, B, C, D, 4 sets are given to you, and all the 4 sets are written in the form of set builder form. You need to first find out the elements and then find all these operations. Okay. So X is a natural number A set, X is a even natural number B set, X is a odd natural number C set, and D set is a prime number. So let me elaborate it as a roster form. So all natural number A set, only even number, only odd number, and prime numbers. When it comes to A intersection B, this is A, this is B. What is common? Only natural number. So A intersection B, answer is you will end up with B only. That is a common. A intersection C, this is all elements. Here it is only odd number. Common, if you see, the answer is C. Similarly, A intersection D, here also we have natural numbers only. When it comes to common, A intersection D, the common element will be the elements of D set only. Can you understand, children? Because this contains everything, this contains few of it. So common will be this few of it only. So A intersection D is D. B intersection C, B and C. B is only even number, C is only odd number. What is the intersection? Null set. Am I right? So B intersection D and C intersection D is going to be your task. Just post your answers. So totally 4 questions are giving it to you. Find out the answer and post your answers in the mainstream. Okay, children. So I'll be waiting for the answers in the mainstream. Thank you.